Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be showing you guys how to make my Cajun lobster tail and sweet chili salmon. So the ingredients that you will need is some honey, sweet chili sauce, paprika, garlic salt, onion powder, Old Bay, black pepper, and some Cajun seasoning. I didn't include it here, but also butter. So we're gonna start off with our salmon and start seasoning with some Old Bay. Then some paprika. I'm sorry that I'm out of frame a little bit on some of these clips. Onion powder, garlic salt. I normally don't use garlic salt. I don't know what made me pick that up, but if you just have regular garlic pepper, that's fine as well. I didn't put a lot on it because I didn't want it to be salty. And then add some black pepper. And now we're just going to take some virgin olive oil and just spread it over the salmon. And make sure you rub that bad boy in. And now we're going to set our salmon to the side while we go ahead and prep our lobster tails. Okay, so here I'm just going to fast forward a little bit. I was definitely out of frame so you couldn't see too much. But exactly what I did was just took my shears and split it in half a little bit. And then what I did to plop up the meat was just squeeze the sides and then pull the meat up. Then I just washed them off. Okay, so here I'm just going to go ahead and season the lobster with a little bit of Old Bay. And then just rub that in. Now I'm just going to take a little bit of olive oil and place it in my pan to get ready to fry the salmon. Alright, so once we place our salmon in the pot, we're going to cook it on each side for about 4 to 5 minutes or until it's as brown as you want it to be. Okay, so here we're going to make our sauce for our lobster. So we're just going to add a little butter to a bowl and just heat that up in the microwave for a few minutes. And now we're going to add our Cajun seasoning. Kind of want to make it into like a paste, but not too pasty, if that makes sense. And then just go ahead and spread it all over your lobster tails. Now here I'm just going back in and checking on my salmon and flipping them. This is optional, but I'm just gonna squeeze a little lemon on top of the salmon. Now we're gonna be making our sweet chili sauce. So you're just gonna add a little butter to the pot, then add in your sweet chili sauce, some soya sauce, and remember what I'm adding is just for 2 pieces of salmon. So if you're making more for like a bigger family, then you can always add more sauce, add more seasoning, add more butter. And then now I'm just gonna add a little bit more honey. Once you get that to a boil, go ahead and add your salmon in. Yes, make sure you get it all over. And you guys, here we have it, the finished product. Oh my God, it was so good. It was so, so, so good. So I hope you guys tried this recipe and like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel for more cooking videos like this. And, leave a comment on what you guys would like me to make next. See you next time.